Okay, in this video, we'll take a look at the details of Metahuman Eve in full screen mode to see how she looks. We press F11. And then we'll take a look. First, let's look at the head, checking the alignment of the lip line, as well as the alignment of the nose and nostrils. Then, for the left and right eyes, the upper and lower eye sockets, the inner corners of the eyes, and the tear ducts. If we look closely, everything aligns perfectly. There are no issues. Let's look at the ears. No issues there either. All right. The entire head. Everything lines up perfectly. Okay, let's take a look at the upper body. No issues there either. Let's take a look at the full body. Except for the feet, since the pose involves wearing high heels which caused some distortion. Everything else is fine. I adjusted the models. Orientation, so it faces the sunlight directly, to make it easier for us to see. Let's hide that start. Label. Then, let's take another look. Zoom in a bit more. Zoom in a bit more. Okay, no problem. All right, that's it for today's video. See you next time.